What's going on, YouTube fam? Another episode with MrSettin007, just working on the CLK. I was having an issue. I had to have the car towed the other day because it wasn't starting. All of a sudden I drove it, parked it, came back in, tried to start it, and it wasn't starting. Nothing. Battery's fine, horn works, lights work, everything worked. So I had to come home because I didn't have anything with me to work on it. Came back, tried to look at some fuses, but then I found out that, amazingly, because I was checking the fuses, first of all, this fuse here, this 15 amp, I think it's supposed to be 20 amp, but if you can see, it's broken. See that? It blew. So because of that, apparently was the reason that I got stuck. So I went, got a new fuse, which is I believe this is a 20 amp. Yeah, I believe this is a 20 amp. Yeah, there you go, 20 amp. And you put it right here. You know, this is the fuse box here, because obviously I did this already, so I'm just taking a video now because I wanted to make sure that that was the issue. Because I was about to go buy a new starter, but apparently sometimes that fuse goes out, and if it continues to go out, that means, there you go, it started. So if it continues to go out when you try and replace it, that means that your starter might be going. If it blows the fuse again. Alright guys, so hopefully this helps somebody. This is a CLK500 W209 and this other Mercedes that it happens with as well. Alright, like, subscribe, stay tuned as I continue on my car journey. This is one that I had earlier. You can check some of the videos that I restored. It didn't look like this when I got it, but it's coming along. Enjoy.